Whoa, maybe he's getting a, Nice. Dude, it's getting really hot out. It's like, what, 80
What? Oh my God, Megan!
That is true.
I just said, because I'm outside, and he's like, well, that is true. What?
It's a little joke. Megan, do you
No, I record things because when I go to the...
think this represents the devil?
Yep.
Oh,
No,
come on.
I know. I don't even know.
Even my tractor
No.
Don't do that.
Okay.
Megan wants to make off the jump.
Sure. Okay then, that's weird. You do that, Jess. I'm gonna record you. It's still recording.
Amanda,
What?
I'm a good girl. Do I get a ginger ale?
When they're cold, yes.
Yay! Look, Amanda.
Which will take about 2 hours.
And look, Amanda has this. But I don't mind if it's warm.
I don't think so. Okay. 2 days ago, wait. What was that yesterday, right? Okay. On Tuesday, Brian had to finish your soda for you.
But still, I was good.
You're good.
Amanda, walk up the street with me. I need to get a shorts on. Running out of juice.
Whose shorts on?
Amanda, put them on the side of the road. Or no, I'll go walk up the street. Wait for me. Where are you going? What? I have to go home real quick because I want to get in Clyde's car. I want to tell my mom something. I don't want to get this out. Amanda's running out of juice. Flashlight. Running out of juice, Amanda.
You can't run it then. It's not healed enough. Go put it back. That's a wrap.
What is?
Wait! Josh, you're too far away! Wait, do it again! Yeah, tell me what to cut. Dude, it's been 3 minutes already. It's been 3 minutes already.
After this, you can cut.